Okay, today we are looking at odd sounds out, which means we don't need to use our eyes, we need to use our ears, our listening ears. And this is really important because some of you are so good at recognising your letters, but actually we need to be able to hear the sounds of the letters as well. It's brilliant if you know what they look like, but if you can't hear them, then you can't sound them out. So today I've got an odd one out game, and 3 of the things have the same starting sound and 1 is different. So we're going to have a little look. Now, if you're not on Sound Talk yet, you can use this just for building up your vocabulary, learning lots of new words. So we've got a sun, a sack, a sock, and a hook. So there's 3 s sounds. Can you point to which ones are the s sounds? That's it. You've got the sock, the sun, and the sack. So which one's the odd one out? That's it. It's the hook, because hook begins with a h sound, okay? So that's what we're doing. Let me show you the next one. If I tell you what they are, you can see how quick you can see which is the sound that's not the same as the others. So we've got a cloud, a pan, a peg, and a pin. Do you know already? Let's see. We've got P for pan, P for peg, P for pin, and cloud. Is that a P? No, it's a K. So which one is the odd one out? That's it. K for cloud. Okay, now this one's a new sound. This sound is shh. Can you do it? Make your little trumpet. Shh. So you're looking for ones that aren't shh. The one that isn't shh is the odd one out. So I'm just going to show you first of all and see if you can think which one it might be. Can you touch on the screen which one it is? Which one isn't a shh? Let's see if we can name them all then. We've got a shell, a sheep, a tap, and a shoe. So which one wasn't the shh? Can you hear it? Shell, sheep, tap, and shoe. Which one of my mouth, with my mouth, didn't make the shh sound? That's it, it was the tap. What sound is tap? T, t, t. Very good. Okay, the next one. Can you see? Can you name what everything is? We've got a cat, a coffee, a coat, and a zip. This one's Zach's favourite because it's got a zip for Zippy Zach. Which one do you think it is? Have you worked out the sound yet? Which is the k sounds and which one isn't a k sound? We've got k for coat, k for coffee, k for cat. Is it k for zip? No, that's it. The zip was the odd one out. It's zzz for zip. Can you make that sound? It's a really good sound. Zzz. Brilliant. Okay, I've got another one. Are you ready? Let's check you know what everything is. So this one, you have to be careful, it's a mug. So this time, we're making the sound with our lips really close together. Going mug, and a mat, and a mouse, and a van. So which sound is the odd one out? Which picture? Can you point? Are you getting faster? That's it, it's the van. See how you catch your teeth on your lip? Van. Well, these ones are all sounds. We've got mug, mat, and mouse. Did you hear the difference? Okay, this time I'm not going to help as much. I'm just going to say them, and you've got to see if you can say the odd one out. Okay? So I've got book, bath, box, and chick. Which one is the odd sound out? Did you find it? Have another look. Book, bath, box, and chick. Brilliant if you have. If you haven't, it's the one that isn't B. So we've got B for book, B for box, B for bath, but it's ch for chick. So chick is the odd one out. Last one. Let's see how fast you're getting. Okay. Now, if you're not sure of the names, we've got a dog, a doll, a duck, and a log. So 3 of them are D sounds, and 1 of them isn't. Can you work out which one it is? D for dog, D for duck, D for doll. Is this one a D one? No, it's a L for lock. Now you can do this with me. You can replay it and point to the ones on the screen, or maybe you can pick things in your house that are one sound. So you might pick things that are D and see how many D things. You might have lots of dolls, or you might have a book with some ducks in and find lots of D things around your house using just your ears. Or you might go around your house and find lots of B things. This might be an easy one because you can go to your B for bathroom and find your bath. You might have lots of B for books in your bedroom, and you might have lots of B for balls outside to play with. See how many B, it's a bouncy sound, you can find in your house. Or you might go for the lips together one, So you can say lots of around your house. What things can you find? So it's all about, on the lower level, building up your vocabulary and practicing making all those funny sounds, moving your mouth around. You can even do it in a mirror, so you can sit there and go and and ah and ee. Stretch your mouth into lots of different shapes, making lots of different noises, and start working out where your lips and your teeth and your tongue goes when you're making different sounds, and see how many different things you can find with the same sound. If you're stepping it up a level, that's when you're looking for things and just listening to that sound, trying to find something that just listens and hear that sound, like your for mouse. You might be asked to go and find a k thing, and you might find a k for car or k for carrot. You can do it when you're eating your dinner. Look at all the things on your plate and see what sounds they begin with. Is there any odd ones out? So really enjoy working with your sounds, but don't feel you've got to look at what the sounds look like. Just have fun listening to them and see how many things you can find. Have a great day. Bye.